Hi, this is Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi, and today I wanted to share with you a really great way to replace your antiquated Davka software that once upon a time was cutting edge, and now, unfortunately, the company has shut down the development of the software and any updates. And as we saw with many other softwares in the past, as the operating systems update, you will just not be able to install and use this. So how do you get Nekudot? How do you get vowels underneath your Hebrew content inside a word processing platform? So Word has been doing it for years, but if you are a Google Apps for Education school, you don't want to have all of your teachers using Google Apps for Education and one teacher or one department having to use Microsoft. So here's how you get Nekudot, the vowels, underneath the Hebrew letters in Google Docs. And this goes across all the other Google platform apps as well. So first thing you do is set up your Hebrew keyboard, set it to QWERTY, and you click it over here. And now you can show your keyboard, right? So I'm going to do that for a number of reasons. One is to demonstrate to you how this process is happening. And the other is for me to quickly create this video because I don't put vowels underneath my Hebrew letters very often. So this is how you do it. You have your Hebrew letters, and you see here the letters are lined up on the keys. So you have A is the Aleph, and you have L is Lamed, and the K is the Chaf or the Kaf. And what you do is we're going to just replicate the two words here. So you're going to go to type the word Nadiv. So you go over here, Nun. Now, what you can do right now is you can hold down the Alt or the Option key, Option if you're on a Mac, and as you see here, you have the vowels here. Now, if you want to memorize these right here, I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 7 is the Komatz vowel, this little T, and so you're actually able to type that. And then you go back and you type your Dalid, and you do Option again, and instead of 7, you have 6, 5, number 4, and you press that, and then you do your Yud, and then you do your, you do your vase. And now you have the word Nadiv. Now, if you have already typed the word, let's say, so we're going to go with Sameach over here, the second word right here. So we're going to go the Shin, and we're going to go with the Mem, and we're going to go with the Ches here. You say, oh, I forgot. So you go back right after the letters, and you press that Alt, and a couple things, right? So first thing is trying to get the dot to mark the difference between the shin, which is the dot on the right side, and the sin, which is the dot on the left side, and then still getting that secondary vowel there. And the truth is, you could add, I think, a third vowel as well. So just be careful. As long as you are there, you just press backspace. It's just going to keep adding vowels over and over and over again, which is kind of a funny feature. Go to the next letter, and you press on that second vowel, you go to the last letter, and you press on the third vowel. But basically, it is fully functional in Google Docs, and you can create worksheets using the insert table function. You can have fill in the blank, you can have your English and your Hebrew interdispersed. But at the end of the day, right now, the main point of this tutorial is to showcase that you are able to add vowels super quickly by, and if you are a Hebrew teacher, just like you have memorized the letters on the keyboard, or you have a letter overlay, you just press that Alt. It's all of the numbers over here, and you're able to get, the main ones I think are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the rundown. Hopefully this was helpful. And once again, thank you always for watching the tech tutorials that I create.